The new display is now over 30% larger and is seamlessly integrated into the product. The interface has been redesigned for our new display, providing more information with richer detail.
It's amazing to think that the same watch you wear every day to make phone calls and respond to messages, even run a marathon, can now take an ECG.
This is iPhone XS and XS Max. They are packed with so many new advancements. Better Super Retina displays, 5.8-inch, and the new 6.5-inch OLED displays.
The new iPhone XS, the most advanced smartphone in the world, with a Super Retina display, advanced Face ID, a breakthrough dual camera system, and the smartest, most powerful chip ever in a smartphone. The iPhone XS Max, the biggest screen ever in an iPhone, the biggest battery ever in an iPhone, and of course, the biggest experience ever in an iPhone. And the iPhone XR with a new liquid retina display.
It's the best single camera system we've ever made with our new generation 12-megapixel sensor. It has the same true-depth camera system as iPhone XS and XS Max with faster Face ID. iPhone 7 starts now at just $449, and there are models of iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. iPhone 8 at $599, and models of 8 and 8 Plus. The brand new iPhone XR starting at $749, XS at $999, and XS Max at $1099. They're all running iOS 12, and we can all upgrade to it September 17th.